Some ways the Lutheran School Partnership has helped me as an instructional coach is getting new ideas and resources on how to improve instruction in the classroom. So for example, the tech team worked on a Google Basics map to help with technology integration, or we get new ideas to teach instruction. I love being able to collaborate with other teachers and hear what they're doing in their classrooms, so I can bring that back to the teachers at my school to benefit students who are struggling, and just being able to change up our teaching and see what other people are doing so we can get the best of the best in our schools. One way it's really helped me as a teacher is that I'm constantly being inspired by other educators. Teaching is a hard field to be in, and especially as a mom with 3 little kids, my role at home is very time consuming. So it can make my role at school less joyful, but when I get to meet with these other teachers and hear their ideas and collaborate, I get inspired again of why I became a teacher and why I want to be in education.